Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create a complete, fully responsible food ordering or restaurant website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Before directly jump right into the video, let me show you the features of these websites that we are going to design right now in this video. As you can see from my computer screen, before you are going to design any website, first you need to have a wireframe just like this one. So this is the wireframe of the websites that we are going to design right now in this video. As you can see here, we have a logo on the left side and we have a navigation menu links on the right side. So again, we have a home page. The home page looks like this. So as you can see here, we have hero text right here with having two call to action buttons, with having a nice background image just like this one. Next to the home page, we have a feature section or a service section. As you can see here we have the service section, and then at the end, the service section will looks like this. And next to the service section, we are going to have a product section just like this one. The product section will looks like this. Here we have the wireframe for this product section right here. And we have the product description, food name, as well as food price right here. And also we have add to cart button right here. Next to the product section, we are going to create about us section right here. The wireframe for this about us section will look like this. At the end, the about us section will look like this. You see? And next to the about us section, we are going to create the contact section. The contact section will looks like this. As you can see here we have the name entry field right here. Here we have the email entry field, and we have a checkbox right here, and many more. And then we are going to create the newsletter section. As you can see here, the newsletter section will looks like this. At the end, we are going to create the website footer section. As you can see here we have the wireframe for this website footer section. At the end of the design, the footer section will look like this. After that, we are going to make this website responsible for any device, just like this. And then we are going to make a smooth animation. At the end, I'm going to show you how you can add different products using JavaScript. So from here, you are going to learn HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. So to create this website, you don't need any HTML skill is required. You don't need any CSS skill is required. You don't need any JavaScript is required. I'm going to show you from scratch. If this sounds interesting, what are you waiting for? Sit on your comfort zone, take a cup of coffee, and then enjoy the show. If you are new here, consider subscribing and press the notification bell icon to be notified while I come out a daily training video just like this one.